Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to use the snipping tool. It'll be found in different places on your operating system, but the best way to find it, I've got a little quick icon here on my start bar. But if you go to your Windows um, uh, settings over here in your left, depending on which operating system you have, I have Windows 10. Windows 8 would work basically the same way. You click here and you type in snip, and it will come up and give you a chance to choose the snipping tool, like here. So now that I have the snipping tool open, move this bar over to the middle, you can see that I can say new snipping. I can do a delay snip creation, just cancel it or pick your options. Let's look at the options a moment. Hide instruction text, always copy snips to the clipboard, which is a good check mark. Include URL below snips if you do a snip of a screenshot. That's probably a good idea to reference where you got the screenshot from. Prompt to save snips before exiting, a good idea. Show screen overlay when snipping tool is active, which also should be probably checked in your cases. So I'm going to click OK to all those options, and I'm going to drag this down here out of the way a little bit. I'm going to go into I'm going to use Google Chrome to go on the internet, and I'm going to use a partial screen once it comes up here, so I can move the screen over a little bit. And let's say we wanted to get some images and save those to our computer. This is New Year's, so I'm going to do New Year's 2016. Hit enter there, and then I'm going to pick images, and I should come up with a number of interesting graphics for New Year's. There's one here, Happy New Year 2016. I can view the image, make it a little bit larger, and now I want to do a snipping, so I go to New, and everything gets sort of cloudy looking, but you get across here then that you can use to grab across the screen, and it will put it into your snipping tool. And then you have options here as to what you want to do. You can use a pen to write on it, or a highlighter. If you're doing some kind of let's say a text from a website that you wanted to annotate or highlight, you could pick this tool and then just kind of highlight over it like so, and with emphasis on that particular piece of text. You can pick the eraser tool to erase what you've done, and then the pen tool gives you a chance to kind of draw a little circle around the area that you wanted to annotate, and then again, eraser tool lets you go ahead and erase all that off of the screen. You can then also choose send the snip an email if you have your email integrated with your computer, or you can simply pick save snip, and it comes up. It lets you save it as a JPEG file. You could save it as a PNG, a GIF, or a single HTML file. Usually you're going to save it as a JPEG file, and then you can name it here and just call it Happy New Year, and just notice where you're putting it. I'm putting it in my pictures folder and save it there. So that's an interesting way to use the snipping tool. You can go to edit and copy, and then if you copied it, you could go, like, say, into PowerPoint. I'll just start up PowerPoint here, and you can paste it into a PowerPoint slide. So the snipping tool is useful in these various ways. So I'm going to start a blank presentation, and I'm just going to get rid of click on these and get rid of these text box helper things, and so I have a blank screen, and then I can right button click and I can paste in the Happy New Year graphic. There's another way though to screen snip, and that is by, I'm going to insert a new slide here, a blank one, and if I wanted that particular graphic, I can go up to Insert and on a slide and go to Screenshot, click this little arrow, come down to Screen Clipping, and I can just go ahead and encompass the area I want to grab into my slide and bring it in that way. So instead of using the snipping tool, if I'm putting things directly into PowerPoint, I can use this option as well.